Hello, I'm Amna and today I'm going to discuss trends in influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has become an integral part of many brands' digital strategies. As the industry matures, several new trends have been shaping the way brands and influencers collaborate and how audiences perceive these collaborations. Here are some of the notable trends in influencer. Micro and nano influencers. While mega influencers and celebrities have broad reach, many brands are pivoting towards micro 10,000 to 100,000 followers and nano influencers 1,000 to 10,000 followers. These influencers often have a tighter knit community, better engagement rates, and can appear more authentic to their followers. Authenticity and transparency. With increased scrutiny from both regulators and the general public, there is a push for more authenticity in sponsored content. Influencers are being more transparent about paid partnerships, and brands are seeking the influencers whose values genuinely align with their own. Diversity and inclusion. There's been a significant shift towards more inclusive influencer campaigns. Brands are collaborating with the influencers from diverse backgrounds, abilities, size, and more to represent a broader range of audiences and voices. Long-term partnerships. Rather than one-off campaigns, brands are developing the long-term relationships with the influencers. This allows for more authentic storytelling as the influencer become more closely associated with the brand over time. Data-driven decisions. Brands are using more sophisticated analytics to measure the return on investment of influencer campaigns. Metrics go beyond just likes and followers, looking into the engagement rates, click-through rates, and actual sale conversions. Content co-creation. Brands are increasingly seeing influencers as creative partners. Instead of dictating content, many brands provide influencers with the creative freedom, trusting their expertise in engaging their audience. Expanding platforms. While Instagram has been a primary platform for influencer marketing, brands are exploring other platforms like TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, and even newer platforms that continue to emerge. Regulations and guidelines. As influencer marketing becomes the mainstream, there is increased oversight from the regulatory bodies. Advertisements and partnerships are expected to be clearly disclosed to maintain the transparency with the audiences. Influencer-led courses and workshops. Many influencers are leveraging their expertise in certain domains like photography, digital marketing, or cooking to offer the courses, webinars, and workshops, providing another avenue of monetization and engagement. Integration with e-commerce. Shoppable posts and direct integration with the e-commerce platforms are on the rise. Commerce influencers can drive sales directly from their content, bridging the gap between the content and influencers and social causes. More influencers are using their platforms to raise the awareness about the social issues, from mental health to climate change. Brands that align with these causes to find the natural partnership opportunities. Virtual and CGI influencers. While still a niche, virtual or computer-generated influencers like Lil Miquela have garnered these significant followings. These digital entities are entirely crafted by agencies but resonate with certain audiences due to their unique, futuristic appeal. Evolution of affiliate marketing. With the improved tracking technologies, many influencers are shifting towards more affiliate marketing models. where they can earn a commission for the sales they drive. Rise of influencer communities. Beyond individual influencers, communities or groups of influencers that cater to specific niches or demographics are gaining the traction. These groups can offer brands a more extensive reach within a targeted audience. Video content dominance. Video content, especially the short form videos popularized by the platforms like TikTok, continues to dominate. Brands are investing more in the video campaigns and the partnerships. Influencer marketing, by its very nature, is dynamic. As audience behaviors, platform algorithms, and cultural sentiments shift, so will the strategies and trends within the industry. The focus will always remain on genuine, impactful engagement and creating the value for both the brand and the audience. By mastering these all skills, you are not just enhancing your personal abilities, but contributing to the broader success of your team, your organization, and industry. Please keep on watching the videos, ask questions as much as you would like to. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.